This is a Reconnaissance survey of the diverse habitats and, of course, soils within the Awka campus of the Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. Now, looking at this side, you can see that you have lots of trees growing within this area, particularly oil palm trees. Now, that's a soil that has been augured and for assessment subsequently in the lab. Now, this is a stream within the campus that is near its natural state. Now, we're trying to take some samples in particular sites within the campus. Now, this is a road, and of course, we've just taken samples of the road right inside the forest beside the road. Now, right from this point where I'm standing on the roadside, we'll move to a different site, which is this site, which is basically another forested area with lots of climbers and twines. Now you can see that this area really has a dense canopy covering it, and there's little sunshine coming in, but you don't really see very large trees. But of course, you see lots of interlocking twines and smaller plants within the area. Now, these are the students that went along with me to the site to assess what is available within the campus and in what condition they are in, but in terms of the natural resources, the land, the forest, the plants, and of course the soil and water resources. Now, this is another section of the campus, another section of the campus. These are very diverse habitats. There are habitats within the area that are forested, habitats that are grasslands, habitats that are swampy, like this area. It's quite swampy. You can see the auger right inside the water over there. And there are, of course, habitats where you can't really do anything besides maybe clearing the forest and then replacing with swamp loving plants. This area you see is also a forest with lots of trees, and of course you can see that big twine climber. Now that's a perennial stream within the campus. All year round the stream is there, whether it's a dry or rainy season. This is another site within the campus. It's quite diverse what you see over there. That's an oil palm tree bent at the waist where you can sit down and see what things going on. This is another tree right inside a forested area within the campus. It has fallen and is already dry. Now that's a trap used by some hunters to catch grass cutters within the campus. Now this is located beside a forested area. And of course, this is another site forested within the campus, and that soil looks different. Now, this area has been cleared, and of course, like you can see, it has been burnt. Now, that's me standing on the base of a bent oil palm tree that can be used to walk across a perennial stream over there. These are my students, as you can see, who went to the field with me. Well, in a way, it's hard to do the field work, but then sometimes it's also fun when they play around and have some fun in the forest and all of that. Well, now that's basically the stream, and this is another point within the sites. Like I said, the campus is quite extensive. It's about 500 hectares with lots of areas still untouched by human activity, and of course that's another forested area. Quite an interesting ride, and it's good to have you with us.